In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Pop-up view is one of my favorite features to multitask and it's really easy to access on Samsung devices. All you need to do is open an app you wanna use in this view, like Chrome, launch it in the background, and click on the icon of it available at the top. Now select Open in pop-up view in the pop-up and enjoy using your app in this window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. You can even reshape it. If you want to minimize it, click on Home button. Then access it by tapping on the bubble. To use more options of pop-up view, click on blue line at the top. And check out all of those. By clicking on this X, you can close your window. By tapping on this arrow, you can access your app in full screen view. And by clicking on those two right next to it, you can minimize it. To switch from pop-up view to split screen view, use this icon of a split screen and tap on the second app. Then enjoy using both at once. Last but not least, you can click on this icon on the left and make all of those options transfer to top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!